The authentic learning dimension really describes how applicable, and I guess it describes the authenticity of the learning the students are doing in the classroom to the real world. You'll notice that at entry level, activities that the students are doing are mostly unrelated to the outside world, and technology is mostly used just to access static resources, like a textbook or an encyclopedia. At the adoption level now, we have some information coming in about the outside world, and maybe we have access to some primary sources. Examples used in class might involve the outside world, but don't necessarily engage with it in an active way. At the adaptation level, students are now kind of using technology at a self-driven pace. For example, the teacher might not say, use this technology to do this, but the students might have a little more choice there. And our instructional setting, now we have access to more information outside of school, and of course still our primary sources. At the infusion level, students are really using and choosing appropriate technology for the tasks that they're given. So notice that this is the point where we have more independently driven choice of technology to support the goals we're trying to hit. And of course, in the instructional setting, you have a variety of tools used to access a variety of resources. At the transformation level now, we're at the point where students are really kind of choosing and pursuing the technology that really supports what they want to do, and they also have the opportunity to engage actively, not just passively, with local and global communities. So this might look at not just being able to read resources from around the world, but actually being able to contribute to that community. So the example I gave was for authentic infusion here in the classroom. My idea was to train students in a statistics class on using Desmos, which is an online graphing calculator, Excel or Google Sheets, and their TI graphing calculators, which most of mine actually have, to run correlations. In a unit project, students would then find and present a correlation between two variables with the tool of their choice. So notice this isn't quite transformation. I've still kind of given the students a restricted task, I want you to find the correlation between these two variables. So I have an idea of what the right answer will be, or what I'm kind of looking for, but I'm giving the students a lot of choice in which of the three technologies that I've taught they want to use to make that happen. And of course, if they have a different way they want to present their data, or a different way they want to write out their kind of presentation, that would all be fine.